Hello children, welcome again. Let's start. Today's date is 26th of November 2020. Day is Thursday. Subject is English literature and our topic is lesson number 10, Two Little Kittens Part 2. Yesterday we had studied this poem, Two Little Kittens. There were two kittens, little kittens, and they were fighting over a mouse. And then the mistress of the house, she swept them out of the house, and then they reconcile, and then they came back, and after getting wet in the snow and all that, they came back and beside the fire for the whole evening, then to quarrel and fight. Now today we are going to start with the exercise portion of this lesson. Let's start. First is your word meaning. So you will take out your English literature copy and start writing lesson 10, Two Little Kittens, word meaning. The first word is stormy. Stormy means with strong winds and heavy rains or snow. बहुत तेज हवा चल रही है और heavy rain या snow गिर रही है. So that is called stormy weather. Stormy means with strong winds and heavy rains or snow. Then second is right. Right means completely. पूरा का पूरा. Okay. Nowhere. Nowhere means no place. कोई जगह नहीं जिसको होती कि कहीं जाने की कोई जगह नहीं बची है. That is called nowhere. Shivered. Shivered means shook slightly because of the cold. जब आपको ठंड लग जाती है, आप थोड़ा सा कांपते हैं, that is called shivering. Okay. Shivered means shook slightly because of the cold. Okay. Then you will take out your literature book, page number 74. Okay, page number 74. We are going to start with A portion, comprehension. In this, you have to write the complete answers to the following questions. Okay, in the exam, you will not get to write the complete answers, but you have to tick the correct answer. But इसी में से आपके कुछ कुछ questions आएंगे. Okay, so please understand the question and answer, and then you will have to uh, tick mark the right answer in the exam. First question is, what did the kittens begin to do on a stormy night? एक stormy night में kittens ने क्या करना शुरू किया? They began to quarrel and fight. They began to quarrel and fight. तो वहाँ पे आपका आंसर आ जाएगा जैसे quarrel and fight और playing और all that. तो आपको उसमें से quarrel and fight को you have to tick. Second is, what did the bigger tortoise shell kitten want? She wanted to have the mouse. She wanted to have the mouse. Third is, what did the smaller kitten say? Smaller kitten ने क्या कहा? The smaller kitten said that she'll have none. कि उसको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. The smaller kitten said that she'll have none. उसको कुछ भी नहीं देगी वो. What did the old woman do? The old woman swept them out of the room. दोनों की दोनों kittens को उसने बाहर कर दिया. The old woman swept them out of the room. When did they come back into the house? वो कब house में वापस आए? They came back into the house. They came back into the house after the old woman finished the sweeping. They came back into the house after the old woman finished the sweeping. When they came back, were they tired and cold or wet and cold? जब वो वापस आए दोनों kittens, तो वो tired और cold थी या wet और cold थी? They were wet and cold. They were wet and cold. So these question answers you will do in your book itself. Don't write it in your copy. And then you have to understand the questions and the answers. Okay, in the exam you will get to do only the tick the answer question type of questions you will get. लेकिन वो इसी में से जैसे आ सकते हैं, आपको पोएम से आ सकते हैं, बट मोर और लेस इसी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के ही फॉर्म में होंगे वो, बट यू हैव टू टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, नाउ vocabulary part B. Read the following. As quiet as mice. In the last lesson I told you as quiet as mice means बिल्कुल शांत रहना mice की तरह. Mice are very quiet. Like I told you, mice are very quiet. The kittens were quite like mice. So we say as quiet as mice. और kittens भी उतने ही quiet थे जब वो वापस आए ठंड में भीगते हुए बर्फ में, तो वो उतने ही quiet थे. So we can say as quiet as mice. We use as dash as to compare the kittens to the mice. So हमने ये जो as dash as लगाया, दो बार as को लगाया, तो वो compare किया kittens को mice से. Now match the phrases in column A with the phrases in column B and then write the correct phrase in front of each phrase in column A. This is your column A, this is your column B. इसमें आपको column A से मैच करते हुए यहाँ से ढूंढ के आपको correct phrase आपको complete करनी है. Like as busy as a bee. As a bee. Second, as proud as a peacock. So you will write as a peacock. As white as snow. As white as snow. As brave as a lion. Here lion as a lion. As brave as a lion. As slow as a snail. As hungry as a wolf. And last is as cunning as a fox. Okay. So this is all for today. Tomorrow we are going to complete the lesson and then we will learn about the comparison of adjective that we had already done in our workbook or workbook exercise. I think we had done it. We can compare how to do the comparison and write the comparative verbs. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to continue with this lesson. Thank you. That's all for today. Thank you.